Hey guys, Emerald Cubers here. I'm doing a quick update about some stuff I'm going to unbox. I'm getting a Ready Cube, and that is coming on the 26th till the 16th. January 26th till the 16th. I'm getting a Mirror Cube that's supposed to come Wednesday. A 2x2x3, which is supposed to come Monday. A Scube, which is supposed to come Monday. And a 2x2 Mega Minx, which has 5 stickers on each side, which is either supposed to come January 29th till February 20th. So I don't know when the Ready Cube and the 2x2 Mega Mix are coming, but once they all come, I will do an unboxing. So see you guys in that video. Bye.